Hello everyone, thanks for joining today's class. So we are going to be talking about Git today. And so what is Git? It is a distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. So this class will be I'm going to explain Git on how we utilize it on Azure platform using Azure CLI. So there's a scenario here on the screen. Imagine you're a new software developer at a firm that writes avionics software for commercial airliners. Quality control is critical, and developers work in small teams using Git version control. You've heard of version control, but you've never used it, so you are eager to catch up. You decide to build a website that lets you and your friends share pictures of cats so you can learn Git in a fun environment before bringing that knowledge to work. You set out to build the site by using Git to keep track of changes and keep all the source code files backed up in case the server goes down. But before diving head first into Git, you must cover the basics, right? Git can seem a little cryptic at first, right? And it can be frustrating at times, but if you learn it step by step, you find that there's a reason why Git is quickly becoming the world's most popular version control system, not just for software developers but also for teams, that write, document, and collaborate on other works. So let's quickly move to Azure platform. So we are using CLI, Azure CLI here. Let me just do this. So here I want to be sure that Git is installed on my Azure platform. Git version. So I have version 2.33.8. Then I want to set up the git config global, that's user name. So you can just say Niyi. Okay, so I can also use git config to set my email, global user .name .email. So I can say this is Niyi Oshofiye at gmail.com. Alright, that's that. So if I just want to check this, I can say git config lists pam. Oh, sorry, list. So this gives me the path and also the configuration that I've set up. So the Adini is the one that when I was just trying to test. So I want to set up the Git repository for the projects that we are using. Git works by checking for changes to files within a certain folder. So we will create a folder to serve as working tree. That's like project directory, and let Git knows about it so it can start tracking changes. We tell Git to start tracking changes by initializing the Git repository into the folder. Let's start by creating an empty folder for our project and then initialize Git repro inside it. So we can say make directory cat. So after that's like an empty folder, so I can say set into cat, change into that directory. Then I can git initialize git init -b main, git init -b main. Okay, so that's like an empty folder that I created. So I can also check for git status. Okay, on branch mail, no commit yet, nothing is done. So here we can also always check for help in case you don't know the command to use. So you can just use git -help. So the gives us list of command that we can use with our git. So I hope today's class helps someone to further in your Azure journey or in your cloud journey. Thank you for joining.